This video is about using the phrase used to talk about the past. We use the structure used to plus verb to talk about things we did in the past. For example, when I was a child, I used to ride a tricycle. Now I ride a bicycle. The phrase used to shows that something happened many times in the past. It usually implies that the situation has changed, and you don't do this activity anymore. Here is another example. In summer, I used to wear shorts. Now I wear a coat. The phrase can also describe a past state or role. She used to be a student, now she is a teacher. Similarly, he used to be an engineer, now he is a teacher. Think about yourself. What did you used to be in your country? Let's consider transportation. I used to drive a car to work, now I ride my bicycle everywhere. How did you used to travel in your country? For the negative form, we use didn't used to plus verb, without the D on use. John didn't used to drive, now he does. For questions, we use did you used to, or did Mary and Sally used to go dancing? Again, note no D on use. Here is another example. In the summer, I used to swim 3 times a week. Now I don't swim anymore. Question and affirmative answer. Did you used to swim every day? I used to swim every day. Now I don't swim anymore. Question and negative answer. Did you used to swim every day? I didn't used to swim every day. Now I swim every day. Changes in habits are also described using, quote, used to. I used to shop at the shopping malls, now I shop at Amazon. I used to study online every day, now I go to school every day. Here is an example of a change in lifestyle. I used to stay home, now I travel a lot. You can also say, I used to work in an office, now I am retired. Consider the question, where did you used to work? Many people didn't used to ride bicycles, now they ride bicycles every day. I used to take the subway, now I walk everywhere. I used to go to the hairdresser regularly, now I never go to the hairdresser. Now I cut my own hair. I used to have short hair, now I have long hair. I didn't used to have long hair, now I have long hair. Did you used to have long hair? Marta didn't used to speak English. After many years, Marta speaks English.